Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open the iPhone and unlock it with your passcode or Face ID. Locate and open the Watch app on your iPhone home screen. Tap the My Watch tab at the bottom to manage your current watch faces and settings. Make sure your Apple Watch is unlocked and within Bluetooth range of the iPhone so changes sync instantly. If you prefer working on the watch, press and hold the watch screen for 2 seconds to edit faces directly on the device. Tap Face Gallery at the bottom to browse available watch face styles and complications. You can also tap an existing face under My Faces to edit that current face instead. Choose a face style, then select Color, Dial Layout, and Complications for quick data access. Use the digital crown or scroll gestures to preview each option as you edit. When you finish customizing, tap Add or Save to add the new face to your Apple Watch face collection. To make a face active on the watch, tap it directly on the watch face picker to set it immediately. From the iPhone, open My Faces and tap a saved face, then choose Set as Current Face to push it to the watch. Remove faces you no longer use by swiping left on the watch face preview or tapping Edit in My Faces on the iPhone. Changes sync instantly while Bluetooth is connected, and iCloud keeps face presets available across your devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.